Hello everyone, welcome back to another sharing video on Dinh Duy Cuong's channel. In today's video, I will share with you a question from a student who is learning the Gerber software. This student has a question like this. He is currently trying to extract the specific detail after finishing the process of designing this main body, but he finds that he simply can't select the line. Like this, he carefully uses the trace command and then clicks directly on this line. Clicks on this line. But when he clicks on the line part at the hem here, it doesn't register. The reason here is that at this hem part, he set a special seam line. So if you encounter this situation, here's what you should do. First, you need to display the seam line. You will click on seam to show the seam line. After that, you will remove the seam corner at this hem area. You will remove the seam corner here. Go to the advanced section. Then go to the corner section. You'll see a command called remove corner. Click on it, and then you'll remove this seam corner. Alright, now you will unfold it again. You will unfold it again. You will unfold it again, okay? Make sure to unfold it in this exact order. You will unfold it in this exact order. Here, continue unfolding. Now click on this hemline. Alright, you can click it right away. Right click, okay. Right click, okay. There you go. So now you've separated the detail to the outside. You can check out martial arts tutorials through the link I've put below this video. Goodbye, and see you in the next sharing videos.